Now this breaking news, we have just passed 20 million confirmed cases of coronavirus worldwide, with more than 5 million of those cases here in the U.S.
And locally, key indicators show growing signs of stability in L.A. County's coronavirus battle. Public health officials in the county today reported more than 1,900 new cases, 19 new deaths. Even though we're approaching 5,000 deaths, the number of COVID-19 related fatalities has declined, we're told. Less than half the deaths in California now come from here. Hospitalizations are also down.
Well, Riverside County reported 21 new deaths today and more than 500 new cases. San Bernardino County had 360 new cases, but no new deaths, and hospitalizations dropped. Ventura County had 3 new deaths, while Orange County had none. But Orange County had nearly 900 new cases. Ventura County a little more than half that number. Well, Governor Newsom says President Trump's plan to extend jobless Americans supplemental unemployment benefits won't work.
That's right. The governor and L.A. County health officials spoke today about the battle against coronavirus. CBS 2's Chris Holmstrom with the latest tonight.
They are conditioned.
Governor Gavin Newsom is swinging back at President Trump after the president signed a series of executive orders that he says would stimulate the economy and support laid-off workers. Unemployment benefits would drop from $600 a week to $400. The federal government would pay 75% of the cost. The rest would depend on the state.
There is no money sitting in the piggy bank of the previous CARES Act to be reprioritized or reconstituted for this purpose.
Newsom says the president's plan would cost the state $700 million per week. He says the state can't shoulder the burden without massive cuts to important services.
We have already allocated in excess of 75% of our CARES Act's funding pursuant to the Budget Act, pursuant to the budget that I just signed.
The governor also discussed the resignation of Dr. Sonia Angel, the director of the State Department of Public Health. This comes as California struggles with COVID-19 numbers and test data glitches. We're also learning the department knew about the glitches, but never reported it to the state.
It's absolutely true, and that's why we're here, as transparent as we can be. We are moving direction with some confidence, having cleared that backlog of 295,000 cases, working now with the counties to get their numbers updated so that we can present them to you.
In L.A. County, numbers remain high, but Dr. Barbara Ferrer says progress is being made. That goes for death rates, hospitalizations, and positive cases.
Though the data around daily cases is complicated by the missing and backlogged data from the labs, we are seeing that our daily new cases these last few days have stabilized well below the 3,000 cases we were seeing in the middle of July.
Ferrer went on to say while progress is being made, everyone must continue to do their part to slow the spread.
This will mean continuing to avoid crowds, avoiding being physically close to people when we leave our homes, avoiding gatherings with people we don't live with, and we have to continue to wear our face coverings.
And the governor did note the updated numbers will not change counts dramatically. He also said that it will likely not alter the list of counties on the state's watch list. We'll send it back to you in the studio.